guys, so I'm about to make an offer to a seller. Let's go. Hello?
Well, it still sounds like it for some reason. Okay, let's try it one more time. I've not heard nothing about, I missed, all I can understand is closing costs.
Okay, can you hear me better?
Yes, ma'am.
That's good, okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna repeat it for you in case you missed anything. As I was saying, I was able to come up with an offer for you after reviewing all 5 of the houses. I just wanted to let you know that you wouldn't have to pay any closing costs. We would cover all of the closing costs for you, which means that you don't have to come out of pocket with anything as far as realtor fees or commissions. We will buy it in as-is condition. We will be looking to close within 30 days. If title comes back, good and clean, and there's nothing stopping title from moving forward with closing, we'd be looking at 30 days. Is that still a good time frame for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. About the land, I just had one quick question. Do you know if it's in a flood zone or not?
It's in a what?
A flood zone. If not, if you don't know, that's okay. I'll find that out.
Is that, to pay lower taxes or something?
No, a flood zone is just a hazard zone,
Oh, no, ma'am, it's not.
Okay, great. So considering all of that, we'd be looking at an offer of $1 million, and that's for all 5 properties together.
Thank you very much. You have a great day.